Hi everyone, this is Ayushi. Welcome back to UK Work Life Insider. Today I'm heading to Westfield London, the biggest mall in the UK. Right now I'm in the station and today I'll give you a walking tour of Westfield London and also talk about the part-time jobs here in UK. So if you are a student or anyone who's looking for a part-time job, do watch this video as it could help you in some way. So let's walk inside. This place is really amazing if you are planning for a lunch or a dinner, as it has so many restaurants here, all with different cuisines. The holiday vibes are really full in swing. The entire area is beautifully decorated with Christmas tree and sparkling lights, creating such a magical atmosphere. It is so cheerful and festive everywhere you look. During the Christmas time here in UK, every street and everywhere it's full of decoration. Everything looks so lovely. The day is surprisingly sunny as well, which makes everything look more vibrant. It's a perfect day to enjoy a little walk. So let me share some of the tips for the part-time job as well. If you are a student or anyone who's looking for a part-time job, I highly recommend exploring opportunities here. In the UK, you'll often notice or see the QR code displayed outside the stores and showroom that provides information about the job openings. Today, while enjoying my pan and ice here at Westfield, I noticed a pamphlet stuck on the glass of the showroom. It mentioned the openings for specific roles and had a QR code to apply directly. This is one of the easiest way to find a job. So if you see any QR code or any notice outside the shop or the store, just scan the QR code and it will take you to the application website. Another effective method is to walk into the store and ask the manager if there is any current opening, including temporary openings, or especially around the Christmas time, there are so many temporary openings. You just go inside and ask for the manager, and then tell the manager about your skills and everything, and ask if there are any openings that match with your skills, or where you can apply. So this is the best way. So when you apply online through website like Indeed or Total Jobs or any other website, it can take time and sometimes you might not even hear back. So based on my experience in UK, here are my tips for finding part-time jobs quickly. First, walk in and ask for jobs. Second, go out and explore. And third, check your receipt. So whenever you purchase anything in UK, do check your bills, because some shops print job openings information on receipt as well. The last way, what I feel, is to register with agencies, sign up with recruitment agencies near you. These methods are much faster and more direct than waiting for responses from online application. I came across CEWE photobooth and found it so fascinating. It is such an easy and convenient way to print pictures. You can even choose to personalize items like mugs, cushions, or calendars by printing your favorite photos in them. As I'm someone who is, so much obsessed with photography, and I love pictures, and I couldn't resist trying out it myself. I printed a couple of photos for myself, and the process was so quick and simple. It was such a fun experience. I really enjoyed my time here at Westfield this weekend, having pan and ice and exploring and printing out some of the amazing pictures of my own choice. If you are enjoying this video too, please support my channel by liking, sharing and subscribing. Lastly, if you are coming to UK, don't forget to bring an umbrella. It can rain here at any time. So when I came here, it was so sunny, and now I'm heading out and you can see it's raining here. So yes guys, umbrella is a must thing. I hope you have found this information helpful and enjoyed the video too. Thank you for joining me on this Westfield walking tour. And as you can see, I have reached to the underground station. So yes, I'm heading home. I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye!